Hello, intermediate students. Today we're going to review the concept from Introduction to Computers when we talked about writing simple formula. So today we're going to review simple formula. So I have the shopping list we've been seeing for the past few videos, and now we're going to redo it with the math so you can see me doing it with the formula. So first of all, we're calculating here the cost of buying 2 cases of toilet paper at $18.99 each. There are a couple ways we can do this. First key point is whenever we do a formula, we always start with the equal sign. The equal sign tells the computer we're about to do math, and we want the computer to do the math for us. Now we can actually type in the values like 2 times $18.99, and it can do the math for us. Or we can type the cells that the values are in. For example, we can do C5 times D5, and that also is going to work to calculate. One of these is better than the others, and it depends on your situation. Let's get that magnifying glass. So for the one where we have just the values here, you can see my formula up here on the formula bar. If you have a number that might change, like we may decide that 2 cases isn't enough, we need 3 cases, you'll notice that this did not recalculate and it did not change the formula you have here. So this was not a good decision. We should have probably, instead of typing the 2 and the $18.99, we should have probably done the formulas themselves. The cells themselves, C4 times D4. And that would have recalculated. For as often as I change this number, you'll see that it continues to recalculate the price because I chose to do the cells rather than just the values themselves. But either works, and if you have a number that you know will absolutely not change, then it's okay to do the values. Let's go ahead and type in these real quick. You can click on the cells. That's a little handy shortcut that you're welcome to use if you would like. Similarly, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Here we're going to add these 4 columns. So again, we can add, and that's going to be our E column. So it's going to be E4 plus E5 plus E6 plus E7. You can see my formula there. And after you type the formula, you can see the formula up here on the formula bar in case you want to go back and edit or change anything. Here, again, you can do cells, you can do values. We're going to multiply the subtotal times the tax rate. Again, we're starting with the equal sign. We're multiplying that times our tax rate. And our grand total is going to be our subtotal plus our taxes. So that is simple formula using Microsoft Excel. Key things, definitely start with the equal sign. And if you need to edit it, you can definitely do that up here on the formula bar without needing to retype your entire formula bar. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email or post discussion on a discussion board so one of your classmates could address it as well. Stay well out there.